Want to see how I made this look like this? Keep watching to find out. This has been tearing apart gradually for months, and I've been putting it off, and I just need to sew it. I need to sew it up. So that's what I'm going to do. I bought this awesome kit here. I'll open it up and show you, but it has some cool needles that we can use and thread. We're going to fix this up. So anyway, this is a cool little sewing kit. Now, even has this stuff. Way more than what I need for this, but I was just excited about this repair kit with all these awesome needles. That curved one should be pretty useful. Let's try this out. So you want to make sure that you thread the needle and then tie a double knot at the end and then put it through on the couch and tug a little bit to make sure it doesn't pull all the way through and that it's secure. Then you just want to start threading across each side, and I'll talk to you a little more about the invisible stitch and how that works. All right, I'm trying out the invisible stitch method. So far pretty good. When I first started doing it, it did not look great because I wasn't doing it invisible. With this, I mean, it's not perfect, but if you look at this, you can kind of see how you just keep going across, but instead of just going directly across like this in circles, that ends up looking weird and you can see the stitch. With this, you go sideways. So you hook it through and kind of go this way across this folded edge here. And then this has a folded edge as well. So you do the same thing on this side and you go across that direction. And then what happens is when you pull it, it's pretty cool because it tightens it up like that. And you pretty much don't see it. You can see a little bit of the thread, but I think that's pretty sweet. I think it's better than what I was doing before. So you can see that a little better, how I'm going across like that. This curved needle is just critical, man. This has been sweet. So now I'm going across to the other side and I'm doing it this way along, it's hard to film here, along the seam. So we'll do it like that. So I'm doing it kind of sideways along the seam there, or the fold. And now when I pull, it looks almost invisible. So check out that progress. It's pretty sweet. Did probably about 4 inches there maybe. Just keep on going. So right here, I decided to tie it off and just make it extra secure before I continue on to the next section. And then I'm just trimming the thread right there so it's nice and clean, and then I'll keep going. All right, what do you think? I think it looks pretty damn good. Man, it was at least 10 inches across here. Not perfect, but I'm happy with it. You can kind of see right there. Doesn't look quite as invisible, but I just wanted to reinforce this, the way they come together. But this part, I think is pretty close. That one you can see, not quite perfect there. But at least there's not a gaping hole, right? And you can kind of hide this a little bit. Pretty cool. Here's the before and after. It's been almost a year and look how well it's held up. Not perfect in that one spot here, but still pretty dang good. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.